Hi, I'm Stafford and I'm the Denman Global Creative Director, and I'm live here at Salon International on the Denman stage, and I'm going to show you what's in my kit bag. The Denman D3, the hairdresser's favourite brush. Obviously, the hairstyles that have been created with this brush are iconic. It creates volume, body, it's great for smoothing out hair. If you don't have this brush in your toolkit, are you really a hairdresser? The Denman Head Hugger is a revolutionary brush. This is not just a round brush, this actually creates volume. It conditions the hair, it makes the hair look and feel better, and they come in lots of different sizes. This is a salon staple. The D14 is one of the unsung heroes of the Denman range. If you can imagine a D3 shrunk to size, this is great for flattening out hairlines. It's great for getting those little awkward areas that you can't get smooth. It also is another great grooming brush. This is one of my personal favourites. The Denman BRISTLE grooming brush is favoured by people who love long hair. If you're a long hair expert and you want something that's going to get that perfect finish, that shine, and also give you the control that you need, this is the perfect brush. This is the D1431, or as I like to call it, the mini Freeflow. It's fantastic for root lift, volume, particularly on short hair. It's also really good if you want to carry a brush around in your purse, just for finishing your hair off if you're going out or you're out for the evening. This has to be one of the most popular brushes I see whenever I'm out and about and I see people using brushes. The Denman paddle brush is nearly iconic at this stage. It's great for blow drying hair, it's great for finishing hair. It's the sort of brush that you need to have in your kit no matter what type of hairdressing you do. If you want to blow dry through long hair quickly, then you need the Denman paddle brush. It's iconic, it blow dries hair smoothly, it blow dries it flat, and it's also a great grooming brush. These are the 6 staple brushes that are in my toolkit. Without these brushes, I wouldn't be able to do the hair that I do. You should get them too.